week I'm testing the Nissan Navara N-Trek Warrior. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Navara N-Trek Warrior, they have added ISOFix to the two rear outer seats, which is really good. They're not within plastic guides, but they're nice and easy to connect to. Now, don't look for your usual top tether anchorages in here, the metal ones, you won't find them. Instead, behind each of the headrests is a fabric loop. Now, you thread your top tether strap through the one behind the child's seat and then across to the one beside it and fasten it on there. To make matters worse, they've actually forgotten one in this model, so there's actually only two in the back here, so make sure you check yours before you take it home. They are incredibly difficult to use. It's really hard to avoid twisting in your top tether straps when you're using these loop top tether anchorages as well. Now, I found with a rear facing child seat, we could get about a 178-180 centimetre passenger in that front passenger seat, but legroom is tight in the Navara. In the back of the N-Trek Warrior, storage is really minimal. There are just mat pockets on the back of both front seats that will hold but not conceal an iPad. And the door bins will hold a large refillable water bottle, and there's a little storage wells in the handles too. In the front, storage is much better. There are two cup holders in the central console. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. Behind them is a really small central console box with a 12-volt socket in there. Front of the gear lever is a little phone charging well with a USB port, and there's a little space either side of that central console for maybe putting a phone in or a radio or something. The glove box is quite small. I could just fit my wallet in there with the manual. There is a glasses case in the ceiling, which is good, and there are the cup holders on either end of the dashboard, which are really great. The door bins are quite big in the front here. They will hold a large refillable water bottle, and iPad fit in them too, and there's the little storage wells in the handles. Now, the tray of the Nissan Navara hasn't changed being an N-Trek Warrior, so let's have a look at how many bags fitted in the boot last time. Empty will hold 24 shopping bags, or a twin stroller and 14 shopping bags, a double stroller and 16 shopping bags, a single stroller and 18 shopping bags. The Nissan Navara N-Trek is quite nice to drive. It is still noisy, especially when you're accelerating up hills, and it is still a bit of a rocky ride. And I also found in the wet that it does slip around quite a lot. The media system in the Nissan Navara is a little bit basic, and I find it quite confusing to use, but it does have Apple Carplay and Android Auto, which is really good. When you put it into reverse, the camera image is really blurry and a bit pixelated, but you do get the two images, which is good. You can turn the parking sensors off with a button down in the central console. So to sum up with the Navara N-Trek Warrior, the addition of those ISOFix are really good, and Apple CarPlay. However, I'm still not convinced about those top tether anchorages. There are some good other family features in there though.
Read the full reviews at BabyDrive.com.au.